Bitcoin ETF news pump here. As you can see, price rallied all the way up to $30,000. The good thing about this is it actually did create some volatility. The price is actually moving now, and we are kind of moving upward. We'll see if it can be sustained, however. Now, the bad thing is a lot of people were caught off guard here. There was a lot of liquidations here. As you can see, there was right here, CoinGlass data shows over $72 million worth of short positions were liquidated on the move to 30,000. And 31 million in longs were liquidated on during the correction. So I mean that's pretty easy to see that happening. Now, unfortunately, the thing that kind of irritates me on this event, as you can see, look, Bitcoin spiked 10% on false report. It said that the SEC approved BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF, and if you guys want to know where that came from, it was actually good old Cointelegraph. As you can see from Dylan LeClaire, he actually has a copy of the post here. You can clearly see breaking news or breaking: SEC approves iShares Bitcoin spot ETF reportedly. Reportedly was unfortunately not true. A lot of people ended up FOMOing in. This is why you do your own research. You don't just jump in because you see something somewhere telling you, hey guys, this happened. You check your research, you make sure it's accurate, then you get in. Even if this would have been true and you would have just heard about it and jumped in, you would have jumped into a pump. You would have FOMOed right into a pump, and that's not how we get into trades here. We'll teach you how to get in trades here at 100% Crypto. That's why you need to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As you can see, I ain't the perfect speaker in the world or anything, but I'm just getting used to this, guys, so we're going to get it down. I shoot everything live just one time, get it done. I'm not trying to give you guys any BS. I'm not trying to shoot you guys incorrectly. I'm just trying to give you the correct information as quickly as I can. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin, look at this chart here. This is a 15-minute chart. Now, a lot of people got knocked out of trades. I actually got knocked out of a trade. As you can see right here on the chart here, this is my trade I was in. I got knocked out here on the 15-minute chart. You see, we jumped up so quick from $28,000. We banned it all the way up to right over $30,000, 30,015 on this chart. Actually, right under 30,000 on this chart. Or no, a high of exactly $30,000. It's a Coinbase chart. It says a high of exactly 30K. So, you know, as soon as it hit that, it just plummeted right back down, taking out all those people who went long. Now, a lot of people, like I said, just went long because they seen some YouTuber or some guy on Twitter just saying, hey guys, jump in. The Bitcoin ETF is approved. Hop on in. And they just FOMOed on it. You know, fortunately, if you look at the price is still $28,382, almost $28,400, which is actually a resistance and support area. So we do need to watch that. We're probably going to reject from here and get pushed back down. You know, because like I said, it was fake news that pushed us up here, guys. So a lot of people are going to be a little irritated and they're going to be a little bit more cautious when jumping in. Now, if you look at the crypto bubbles, these look excellent earlier. If you clicked on the daily here earlier, they still don't look too bad for a lot of these tokens. So you can see Solana right here is up 8% almost. You know, you can see Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Silver is up over 15%. Loom's down 24%. They look real good though. When you clicked on the daily or the hourly a while ago, like I said, Bitcoin was over 10%. It's still 5% though. So it did create some volatility. It's just how much of the move are we actually going to hold on to? Are we going to just plummet right back down? Or are we going to continue to make higher highs and lower lows? So we'll see what's going to happen here, guys. But your guess is as good as mine on that one, because we're not doing TA in this video. But here, as far as TA goes, these two things I did tweet here, you can see that this is the head and shoulders breakdown I've been calling for. We actually pushed up and made a higher shoulder right here. So the shoulder is a little bit higher now, but it's still a head and shoulders pattern that can break down. But we could also play this out right here and bull flag to the upside. So, you know, technical analysis, guys, it's all on the analysis. It's all on what the time frames are, what you're looking at. Sorry about the dogs. You know, it just depends on you. But both these scenarios could end up happening. We could fall all the way down before we come all the way up to $52,000. That's why you have to do your own research, understand where you're at in the market. All right, guys, it's 190 days to the halving. That's all we have left. Get into the market now. You don't want to be caught at the end. You don't want to be FOMOing in just like you FOMO into a trade, FOMOing into Bitcoin, FOMOing into the rest of your crypto coins and to the rest of your altcoins, because now is a very good time. We're in accumulation time still, guys. We have 6 months before the halving still. Jump into your positions now. Don't just jump in like today, this split second. Like I said, do your own research. Don't jump in just because I told you to. Take some time. You have a little bit of time. Do some research. You know, get in, dollar cost average into your positions as you see fit with the money that you have. You know, don't just listen to anybody else. Something that's right for me might not necessarily be right for you. Always remember that. Don't let nobody shoot you wrong. That's why at 100% Crypto, we're trying to build a family. We're building a team of like-minded people who want to trade cryptocurrency, who want to understand it, and who want to grow together. If that's you, definitely follow the channel. We'd love to have you as part of the family. You know, I'll see you guys later. I'm going to do some more videos here. This is just the first video back of the series. Like I said, we just have 190 days left towards accounting. Also, one more thing, the DXY did get rejected from trend, so that is coming down, which is good for Bitcoin. So on a good note, that's another thing that's positive. But once again, I appreciate you guys for watching, and